The National Weather Service in Medford, Oregon, has upgraded the fire weather watch to a red flag warning, which is in effect from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time Tuesday. Given the long stretch of dry and hot and very conditions, lightning efficiency will be high to very high for fire starts. Any fires that develop will likely spread rapidly for all fire weather zones 280, 281, and 284. Lightning strikes outside of precipitation cores are possible with wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour are a cause for concern. These outflow winds can travel up to 50 miles away from the thunderstorm that caused it. Follow all fire restrictions and familiarize yourself with emergency evacuation plan. A red flag warning is issued when weather conditions are likely to promote rapid spread of wildfire, which may become life-threatening. These conditions are either occurring now or will begin shortly. Report any new fire starts by calling 911.